Hey, Tech24 fam. Today we have an exciting review for you, the versatile prefab house by Rchksu. This eco-friendly tiny home kit is the ideal solution for urban and rural lifestyles, perfect for families and remote workers. If you're passionate about eco-conscious living, this prefab house is a game changer. Constructed with sustainable materials, it's the green solution for environmentally conscious homeowners. But that's not all. This space-efficient design is perfect for urban settings. The container home prefabricated kit maximizes limited space, built with durability in mind. These tiny home kits are designed to withstand various environmental conditions, ensuring your family's safety and comfort. Plus, the customizable features make it tailored to your specific needs. The door and windows can be adjusted as per your requirements. So if you're ready to upgrade your living situation to a sustainable, long-lasting, and secure tiny home, click the link in the description to get your very own Rchksu prefab house. Don't miss out on this eco-friendly living solution. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews.